I am a second-generation Taiwanese American.
I identify as half Chinese and half Thai.
Filipino, born in the Philippines.
And I am a Vietnamese American, a very proud one.
I'm a Muslim, I'm an Afghan, and I'm an Asian American.
The Asian Pacific American Heritage Month is observed at The Ohio State University in January and mid-February.
APAHM has always been about learning. From the first time I entered college freshman year, really understanding what it means to have a month dedicated to learning about Asian American issues and understanding the issues of different communities, how they interacted with me, was really kind of eye-opening, and it's really defined what I want to do moving forward.
To me, APAHM really gives life to the meaning that there isn't just one singular Asian American experience, but that everyone's is different.
It connects me to my ancestors, my culture, and to my family.
I get to share my ideas and think of different ways to bring the APIDA values and culture and share it with those in the community.
I think I've really exemplified Lokahi in my own ability to really embrace my Asian American identity. I'm very confident in saying that I'm an Asian American and feel that I've been embraced by that group and also have embraced that identity myself.
Lokahi to me, again, is unity, and you just really bring people together of different backgrounds, different cultures, and different experiences.
From my experiences, it's really moved me to continue to build, a brighter future for my sisters and continue to make sure that Asian American issues are being heard and to make sure that we are working together and kind of overcoming any obstacle that comes our way.